Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Nest Mini and preparing your phone. Plug the speaker into a live outlet and wait until the light pulses. That means it is booting. Open the Google Home app on your phone, allow Bluetooth and location prompts so the app can find devices. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi name and password and prefer 4 GHz if your router separates bands. Once done, the app will prompt you to add a new device. Tap to begin. You now follow the app setup flow to pair hardware and network. In Google Home, choose Add, Set up Device, then New Device in your home, pick the correct home profile. The app listens for the Nest Mini tone. When you hear a chime, confirm in the app so both devices share encryption keys. Next, select your Wi-Fi network and type the password exactly, because that's how the Mini accesses cloud services. Finally, assign a room and enable voice match. If you want personalized, you finish by letting the Nest Mini apply any firmware updates, which may take a few minutes. Do not unplug during that time. Test basic voice commands like, "Hey Google, what time is it?" To confirm responsiveness, then link music services and calendars in the app for full functionality. If the Mini fails to connect, first reboot your router and the device. Make sure the phone is on the same network. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and repeat the setup sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.